Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a DIY video with some washi tape. Now it is a super cute, easy way to identify your charger. It's like your charging cord and everything. And so like I know I've been at people's houses before and we like all spend the night and all of our chargers get mixed up, and you know, sometimes people have a little jank chargers and they try to take yours, and that's not happening. And also it just is super cute and a fun way to spice up your charger. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is going to be the washi tape I'm using. It is from Joann's, and I have just a black one, a kind of polka dot gold and silver, and then a pink one. Next, you're just going to need a pair of scissors, and lastly you are going to need a charging cord. So I have already started off a few. As you can see, I rotated them in colors. I did the pink and then the glitter and then the black. It's super easy and really quick, and I will show you how to do the rest of them. All you're going to do is take the next color, which mine would be pink. I like to cut out a piece before wrapping just because it makes it easier to me. So you don't need much at all depending on how thick your cord is. So then you just take it, push it down, wrap it around, and then hold it. Sometimes you have to hold it for a few seconds. I think I kind of got jank tape because mine sometimes doesn't stick, as you can see right there. So I definitely, if you're going to be buying the same brand, recommend getting the solid versus the glitter. I've seen other videos and different brands are different with what their stick ability is, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so I'm just going to continue doing that. And you don't have to specifically do like a pattern like I'm doing, like each color and little strips. You could take this and cover half of it and then do the other half in pink or whatever you wanted. There's many different designs that you can do. This was just one of them that I thought I would show you. If you were gonna just cover it fully, I think the easiest way would be to just take it, get it started, and then just start wrapping it like, well, that looks horrible, but start wrapping it like that. So here is basically what it looks like, and I figured that with the sparkly ones, if you cut it just so that it barely touches around, it stays a lot better, because the material, if it like touches itself, it doesn't stick very well, as you can see like over here, so I'll have to fix that. And then I thought it would also be a cute idea to put some tape on the cube, because I know I lose my cube all the time, and I used to have a monogram sticker on it, but then that kind of got like rubbed weird in my backpack and everything like that, so I think this tape will stay a lot better on something like this. And of course I'm just going to use the pink on it. And then I'm just going to do all pink and layer it. So here is the finished product. I think it adds a fun little funness to the charger. And like I said, you can just completely cover it if you'd like to do that. It is a lot easier than doing these little things. Anyways, so I hope you guys liked this video, and leave down in the comments down below if you have any requests for any other videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!